Giggle Academy. CZ's Billion Kid Education Revolution, transforming global education through Tech Token 2049 Dubai. Giggle Academy is a free, non-profit online education platform founded by CZ, co-founder of Binance. Its mission is to provide accessible K-12 education to children around the world, especially in underserved regions. The platform is designed to be fun, engaging, and entirely free, breaking down economic and geographic barriers to education. After stepping down as Binance's CEO, CZ redirected his focus to social good. He recognized that while finance is important, education is even more foundational. Billions of children lack quality education due to poverty, conflict, or remoteness. Giggle Academy is his solution to this global problem, leveraging technology to make a tangible, scalable impact. CZ aims to reach 1 billion children through Giggle Academy in the coming years. His strategy involves using technology to scale learning exponentially. The goal is not just to provide access but also to ensure the education is of high quality, engaging, and future-oriented. Giggle Academy includes AI-personalized lessons, gamified learning journeys, and progress tracking. Parents can monitor their child's performance, and the platform is optimized for low-resource settings, including mobile-first and offline capabilities. The curriculum goes beyond traditional subjects. It includes vital life skills like financial literacy, entrepreneurship, negotiation, and blockchain fundamentals. This equips students for real-world challenges, not just academic tests. Giggle Academy runs on a foundation of generative AI, blockchain, and cloud scalability. AI helps generate content and tailor learning paths. Blockchain, via soul-bound tokens, SBTs, secures achievements and certificates. The open-source model allows for wide adoption and local adaptation. Gamification is at the heart of the platform. Students earn badges, climb leaderboards, and unlock new content based on effort, not just results. This keeps them engaged, even in challenging topics, and provides a dopamine boost for every milestone. In just 6 months, Giggle Academy reached over 220,000 learners across multiple countries. The platform supports 15+ languages and has produced AI-generated storybooks, videos, and learning materials in those languages. Its impact is already evident and rapidly growing. CZ plans to expand Giggle Academy by forming partnerships with NGOs, schools, and local governments. The next features include peer-to-peer mentoring, AI-guided tutors, and integration with job training and placement tools for older students. Giggle Academy is not just a tech project, it's CZ's legacy vision for the future of global education. It brings together AI, blockchain, and community spirit to transform how kids learn, and who gets to learn. Education for all, truly. Thank you for being part of this exciting conversation. New videos are updated quickly. Remember to subscribe this channel, comment, like and share. Check out the playlist for next videos. Help equip others to navigate in this new crypto world. Thank you.